Hi everyone, Dr. Danesh is here. Today we're going to find out how we could get rid of belly fat fast, taking 2 tablespoons of 2 different ingredients a day according to studies, and at the same time improve the heart and vessel health by decreasing the bad cholesterol, which is LDL. RCTs, or randomized control trial, are really important because these RCTs, first of all, they have the control group, and at the same time they are observing a bigger group of people or patients, as opposed to case reports, which is working on only 1 or 2 or couple more patients or people, or even observational studies. So here we go. I hope you enjoy this. The effect of vinegar in weight loss has been mentioned in different articles and case studies of observational studies. However, it has never been studied as an RCT, which is randomized control trial, until it did in 2009. Here is the study. This is a randomized control trial on 150 overweight patients in Japan. So in Japan, a BMI of over 25 considered as obese. So body mass index of over 25 is obese. But average American adult BMI is 28.6. In this study, adult individual, which randomly assigned to 3 groups, are all over 25, which is considered overweight, or which is considered obese in Japan. So during 12 weeks of study, each group ingested a 500 ml daily of a beverage containing either 15 ml of vinegar, which is 750 milligram of acetic acid, 30 ml of vinegar, which has 1500 milligram of acetic acid, or the placebo. Within only 4 weeks from starting the vinegar, statistically significant weight loss compared to placebo with higher dose more than lower happened and continued month after month. By the end of the 12 weeks, 5-pound weight loss in higher dose happened. It may not sound a drastic weight change. However, considering the fact that nothing in their diet changed, it is a significant weight loss. I need to mention that visceral fat is more important than superficial fat, which is the fat right underneath the skin, and the one that is contribute to cellulite. So the superficial fat, which is contribute to cellulite, is not the visceral fat. Visceral fat is the fat on our intestinal walls, which is the actual killer. So the researcher did an abdominal CT scan in all 3 groups and found that both high and low vinegar group lost a significant amount of their visceral fat, while the placebo group actually gained fat in this area. Additional evidence is that when they stop taking vinegar, both groups increase weight by almost 3 pounds. Acetic acid in vinegar is going to activate the AMPK enzyme in our body, which produce energy from metabolizing fat. But body weight, BMI, which is body mass index, visceral fat area, waist circumference, and serum triglyceride levels are all significantly lower in both vinegar intake group compared to placebo group. So in conclusion, I have to say that if we take 1 tablespoon in a cup of water of vinegar daily, it could actually help to prevent from metabolic syndrome by reducing the obesity. So if we reduce the fat underneath the skin, we can actually help with people who already have the cardiovascular disease or metabolic syndrome, or hypertension, and diabetes mellitus type 2. This is a comparison between amla fruit treatment and simvastatin or statin drug treatment in our patients in this study. As you can see, the amla fruit is the effect of amla fruit on total cholesterol is even better than simvastatin or statin. The effect of amla fruit in LDL is better because it actually lower the LDL, which is bad cholesterol, even more than simvastatin or statin, which is a drug. And the good cholesterol, HDL, as you can see, goes up. Statin made this a little bit better. VLDL, in statin group, we have a better effect. In STG or serum triglyceride, statin worked better, but you know that we always wanted to reduce the LDL and the total cholesterol in our serum. So amla fruit, considering the fact that it doesn't have any side effects in the dosage that we are actually recommending our patients, which is only 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of that amla fruit powder in 1 cup of water, which is very cheap, by the way, is very effective compared to simvastatin or statin, which is a drug. And it's first of all, it's pricey, and secondly, it has some side effects such as diabetes mellitus type 2, also the cardiomyopathy, and also the myopathy and myalgia, which means the pain in your muscles. It's really plausible to get to the point that we could lose our body fat or belly fat and at the same time decrease our bad cholesterol, which is helping with the heart and vessel health. However, exercising every day and calorie-based diet are the most important procedure that we could actually implement in our life to be able to get rid of the belly fat faster and more effective, and at the same time it actually improve our health, heart and vessel health. But taking these two tablespoons of these two different ingredients are really magical, and I hope actually you enjoy this video, and I want you to stay healthy and happy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.